Advanced Excel Training Course, Mastering Data Analysis, Automation, and Visualization. The Advanced Excel Training Course is tailored for experienced users looking to deepen their understanding of Excel's powerful capabilities. This course focuses on advanced data analysis techniques, automation, and sophisticated data visualization methodologies that can transform the way participants utilize Excel in their professional roles. Data analysts, business professionals, and managers who already possess intermediate Excel skills. Individuals seeking to improve their ability to analyze complex data sets and develop advanced reporting tools. By the end of this course, participants will master complex formulas and functions for advanced data manipulation and analysis, develop robust data models, and use Power Pivot for data analytics. Utilize Excel's advanced data visualization tools and techniques. Automate processes using VBA and macros to streamline repetitive tasks. Array formulas, introduction to array functions and how to use them for complex calculations. Dynamic array functions, leveraging new Excel dynamic array functions like filter, unique, and sort. Error handling, using functions like if error, is error, and is blank to manage errors in formulas. Introduction to Power Pivot, overview of concepts and benefits of Power Pivot for data analysis. Data import and relationships, importing data from various sources and creating relationships between tables. Dynamic dashboards, building dashboards that incorporate slices, timelines, and interactive elements. Data visualization, best practices, principles for effective visual storytelling and data presentation. Introduction to VBA, understanding the VBA environment and how it interacts with Excel. Recording and editing. Macros, how to record macros and edit them for customization. Creating user-defined functions, developing custom functions to extend Excel's capabilities with VBA. What-if analysis, using GoalSeek and Scenario Manager for decision support. Data tables, exploring one-variable and two-variable data tables for sensitivity analysis. Importing data from external sources, methods for pulling data from Access, SQL, and web sources. Data connection management, managing and refreshing data connections effectively. Using Power Query for data transformation, advanced data cleaning and transformation techniques with Power Query. Format, available in person, online live sessions, or self-paced online modules. Hands-on exercises, practical assignments after each module to reinforce learning and enhance skills. Final assessment project, a comprehensive project that requires participants to apply all learned skills to a real-world scenario or dataset. The Advanced Excel Training Course is an excellent opportunity for professionals to harness the full potential of Excel. Participants will leave with the ability to analyze complex datasets, automate processes, and create powerful visualizations that drive business decisions. Advanced Excel Training Course, Mastering Data Analysis, Automation, and Visualization. Feel free to customize any sections according to specific needs or contexts within your organization. On completion of the training course, delegates complete a course evaluation form. These are returned to the administrator at your request. To start your journey into the world of Excel, call Mouse Training on 02079209500 or visit mousetraining.london for further information.